Okay. Okay, guys, now we have corrected. Good one.
Okay.
Now we are going for this one. LAL 3095A. This is the high level, this is low level. So definitely this is the process subset. I mean, abnormal condition. So this is valid.
Chairman.
Yeah.
Chairman, just a minute. The LASAL 030903 likely cause of alarm should be also LCD failure. Yeah.
But the likely cause is not correct.
Not yeah.
This is where we get into contradiction because it will be
Go
high
up.
level.
Which one?
Low level, right? First stage separator V309 low level. This row
Show me the row number. Show me the row number. Show me the row number.
54.
Okay,
Row
this one.
54.
Okay,
Yes.
you are saying LSAL
Also,
309A.
yeah.
So what is
this
the-
is LSAL, you know.
Yeah. Very same thing, right?
Go to the PNID or the go to your HACCP worksheet. It will be a
No, my question is that if loop control loop failure will happen, how the alarm will come?
See,
no,
LSAL.
right?
Yeah, no. My question is that, for example, malfunction, control loop failure. This transmitter is part of this loop, right? The LCV is part of this loop.
This is what
Oh,
we
alarm.
are. Guru,
No,
this is what we discussed earlier. You said forget about this. This is,
Maybe the control valve itself is stuck or something
Yeah.
like that during movement.
mechanical.
No.
something.
The loop failure, see, please understand. The loop contains one level transmitter, one controller, one control valve. Okay, this is
Yes.
called one loop. If
Okay.
this loop failed, that means all three components are failed. In the same loop, I
No.
have this alarm.
No, any one of the devices inside this loop failed. Maybe the final element failed for number.
Okay.
So it's stuck or the output of the
No.
controller, but the output of the controller is very rare. Or
No,
the
for
transmitter, because we consider either this or this or this as part of this loop. Any one of fail lead to final failure of the overall loop, leading to closure of the valve by error. This is
Correct.
my understanding.
Correct. Transmitter is part of this loop. If transmitter failure,
Yes.
you will not receive. You will
If
not
it is
receive
the
alarm.
part of the root cause, yes, I agree
Yes,
with
yes.
you. If the root cause
You will
is the
not receive
transmitter
alarm.
itself. But
Correct, you will
still,
not
we have
receive alarm.
another probability for control valve failure
Okay.
itself.
Okay.
Because it's moving part.
Okay, let me try to explain, Guru. Guru, there is no reason other than this LCB malfunction full open for low level in the first stage separator.
And this
Only if LCB remains